Post-construction termite treatment must include decks and stair stringers because they often contact the soil and can act as active infestation sources. Treat the underside of decking and stair stringers with a borate solution using a low-pressure sprayer or brush to penetrate the wood fibers and reach any early-stage termites. Apply a soil termiticide around each post base in a continuous trench at least 4 inches wide and 6 inches deep, backfilling carefully to maintain contact between the treated zone and native soil. For any wood that is ground contact, replace it with either pressure-treated lumber rated for ground contact or a rot-resistant composite material, and when removing old posts, cut well below the previous soil line to expose any hidden damage before installing replacements. Install metal post anchors set on concrete footings to lift wooden members above the soil line and reduce future exposure, ensuring anchor heights allow for proper decking grade and do not create trip hazards. When using borate, remember it is water-soluble and must be applied to dry, unpainted wood and then sealed or covered to prevent leaching from heavy rainfall. Keep detailed records of product names, active ingredients, and application dates so follow-up inspections can target persistent risk areas. Common mistakes include treating only visible surfaces and missing the undersides of boards where termites tunnel, so always inspect and treat the decking underside and stringer faces. Another frequent error is leaving untreated ground contact wood in place, which invites recolonization, so replace or isolate that wood with treated or composite materials and metal anchors. People also forget that borate is water-soluble and will wash out if applied to exposed surfaces, so treat only dry, unpainted wood, and then cover or seal it or use a non-water-soluble soil termiticide around posts for a combined approach. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can perform these treatments and source materials for replacing ground contact posts, and we also help contractors find work through project leads. We host a discussion community on the site where members share field tips, product experiences, and practical installation advice.